In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an AI voice in Descript. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any written text into a clear, natural-sounding narration using Descript's built-in AI speakers. First, head over to Descript. You can use the desktop app or open it in your browser. Give it a moment to load the workspace. Once you're in, you'll see options to create a new project or open one you've worked on recently. If you're starting fresh, choose to make a new project so everything is organized from the start. If you already have a project you want to continue, go to your recent items and pick that one. Click on the project you want to use to open it. This takes you into the editing space, where you'll manage your script and audio. Inside the project, look for the option to create with an AI speaker. It may appear as a button in the toolbar or as a clearly labeled option in the interface. Click it to begin setting up the voiceover. Next, choose any of the available AI speakers. You'll see different styles and tones to match the feel of your content: friendly, professional, energetic, or calm. If you're unsure which one to pick, go with a voice that fits your audience and the subject matter. You can always come back and try another voice if you want to compare. Now it's time to add your words. Write your narration directly into Descript, or paste a script you've already prepared. Keep your sentences clear and use paragraph breaks to indicate natural pauses. When you're done, wait while Descript analyzes the text. You'll see a brief processing indicator as it prepares the voice. Descript will then generate an AI voice that reads your script aloud. This happens automatically, no recording required. It's normal for the first pass to take a moment, especially if your script is longer. Once the voice is ready, you'll be able to hear how it sounds straight away. To preview your narration, click the play icon below. Use the playback controls to start, pause, or jump through sections. As you listen, pay attention to pacing and clarity. If you decide you want a different tone, you can return to the AI speaker selection and pick another voice that better suits your content. And that's it, you're done. You've gone from a blank project to a polished AI voiceover in just a few clicks. With a clean script and the right voice, Descript makes it simple to produce professional narration whenever you need it.